Multi-layer perceptron architecture consists of the input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. Sigmoid activation function can be used or threshold also. 5 Vj is 1 by 1 plus e power minus av, where Vj is sigma wij Vj. Multi-layer perceptron architecture initialize the weights and learning rate, some random small values. Z1, Zj in is w0j plus sigma xi wij. Phi of Vj is 1 by 1 plus e power minus av, sigmoid activation function. These signals are set as input signals to the output unit. For each output unit yk, yk in is equal to wok plus sigma zi wik. Apply the activation function in del j. The local gradient for output layer del j is yj into 1 minus yj into dj minus yj, where d is the target. Compute the change in weight in output layer. Del w1 is equal to eta del j zi. Compute the local gradient for hidden layer. Del jj is zj 1 minus zj sigma k del k wkj. Find the change in weights in the hidden layer. Del wij is eta del j xi. New weight equal to old weight plus change in weight. So problem given, the same formulas in the algorithm are exactly adapted. So here the weight values are given. The weight values are written here, x values and weight values. This is the architecture. We have the input layer, hidden layer, and the output layer. The output layer has a bias 1 with weight W0, and Z1 and Z2 are in the hidden layer. It goes to the output layer with weights W1 and W2. So first we find Zj in equal to Wok plus sigma xi wij. So Z1 in is x1 W11 plus x2 W12 plus W01, right? So we find the value for Z1 in and Z2 in. And step 3, apply the sigmoid activation function for Z1 in and Z2 in to get the values for Z1 and Z2. Sigmoid activation function. So 1 by 1 plus e power minus Z1 in. So we get this value 0.54. Now yk in, as per the diagram, yk in is equal to Z1 W1 plus Z2 W2 plus W naught, right? So all the values we have, we find y in, and applying sigmoid activation function, we get the value for y also. And then as per the algorithm, we find the local gradient del j, target given d equal to 1. So del 1 is y value we have, right, 0.5227 into 1 minus y value into d value is 1 minus the y value. We get this value for del 1. Find the change in weights. Del wy equal to eta del I del 1 is Z1. So we find del W1, del W2 and del W0. And then local gradient of hidden layer del Jj is Zj into 1 minus Zj sigma k del k wkj. We have Z1 value and Z2 value. So we find del 11 and del 22. Change in weights del wij is eta del jj xi. So we find all the change in weights, and new weights is old weight plus change in weight. So we find all the new weights. So this is about multi-layer perceptron. Thank you.